What is good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Chris Styles, and I'm back with another video. And today's video, I'm going to be doing a haircut tutorial on my cousin. This is interesting because I'm going to replicate the same haircut that I did last year. So if you guys haven't checked it out, I did my first haircut tutorial on my cousin. Go check that out before you check this one out. And comment down below if I got worse or I got better. You guys decide. And I know some of you guys, after I post this video, I know you guys are gonna go into my DMs and say, you know, Chris, can you cut me low key? I'll give you $100. I'll give you $150. I won't tell anyone. Chris, come on, man. I thought we're homeboys. Sorry guys, I cannot cut you guys at this moment. So to make it up for you guys, I am gonna be doing a one haircut giveaway. All you guys have to do is drop your IG down below. I am gonna be going through all the comments and choosing one lucky winner to get a free haircut. So all you have to do is put your Instagram, and by next week, I am gonna be choosing one lucky winner to get a free haircut. But anyways, man, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. You guys already know what my goal is by the end of this year. Road to 1K. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. What's up guys, this is my cousin Jay. He is getting a mid-bald fade with a part. This is before, and watch till the end to see his after. So with my magic clips, I have my number 4 guard closed, and this is going to be the longest length throughout the whole head. So after this step, I always dust my client off, taking all the hair out. You guys want your clients to be comfortable with the service you guys are providing, right? So just a quick dust off before moving on to the next step. So now I have my Andy Slimline. I am making my first guideline. If you guys look closely, I am not pressing too hard. I'm literally just tapping it. That way, when I do go back to my shavers, it's going to be easier for me to take out that line. Now we're gonna ball them out with my Bronze Series 9. This is very important, guys. This fade actually makes your fade pop more, and you guys don't want to go up all the way to that line that we just created. You guys just want to leave about 1/4 of an inch. So with my Gold FX, these are 0 gap, and what I'm doing is softening up that line between the shavers and my trimmers. So now I have my number 3 guard closed, and all I'm really doing is not creating a guideline. I'm just softening up the sides to the top of his head. So now with my Oster fast feeds open, I'm going about 1 inch to create my first guideline. Major key, guys, when doing this step, you guys want to have it symmetrical to your trimmers. Don't having it dip down, don't have it all wavy, because then it'll be harder for you to fade, and also the outcome is going to be all choppy. So with my Oster fast feed closed, I'm going to be flicking out that bottom line. Make sure you guys have that C motion when flicking out. This is very important because you guys don't want to dig into the scalp and creating another guideline, which we don't want. So after knocking out the bottom line, you guys will see your fade going a little bit higher, and that line that you guys see now is your halfway. So all you have to do is adjust your clipper to halfway and knock that line out. So as you guys can see, we already reached that guideline that we just made, and all I'm really doing is opening and closing the lever as needed to knock out any dark spots that we've missed. So now moving on to the next step, guys. This is my zero guard close. This is the Andes double magnetic purple guards, and I have it on close on my Oscar fast feeds, and we are going about 1/4 of an inch high. So now that we finish our zero guard close, if you guys do see a line just below that, to take that line out, you just open your lever with no guard, and you guys can just knock that line out. Make sure you guys don't use the full blade, use your corners. That's a major key. So now I have my number 1 guard close, which is my 1/8, and I'm going about 1/4 of an inch high. Going on to the next step, now I have my lever open and going another 1/4 of an inch high, and then if you guys notice that I'm already at the top of his head, so after that open guard, I'm gonna go into my number 2 guard close, as you can see right now, and that'll be pretty much it. I'm gonna be going back up to my number 3 guard close just to knock off any hairs that's left over. So that is pretty much it on the other side. It is going to be the same thing, the same steps that I do here. So if you guys want to follow along, you guys can. So over here, guys, all I'm really doing is knocking off any hairs that are sticking out with my number 4 guard clothes, and then I'm just going to be dusting them off and then lining them up. So the lineup is pretty simple, but you can also mess up the whole haircut if you don't do it properly. So first I'll be starting it off in the middle, and then work my way towards the left side and then to the right. So now moving on to the part, this is pretty straightforward also, but if you guys do a part on a client, make sure you guys angle it up a little bit. That way if you do take a step back, it looks like it's straight. If you guys don't angle it up and then you take a step back, the line looks like it's going downwards, which you guys don't want to do that. So just angle your line up just a little bit to make that illusion that it is straight. So I am spraying a little enhancements, which is Kiss Express Black. One tip I can give you guys is when you guys apply these enhancements, especially with the compressor, you guys don't want to spray it directly onto the hairline. You guys want to spray at an angle, so where when you do spray it, it spreads out instead of hitting that one spot. So this is the final step, guys. All I'm really doing is pulling the skin in the opposite direction that you're shaving, and make sure you guys have your blade at a 45 or less. So basically that avoids you nicking the person, and it just makes it easier for your straight razor to glide easier. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys learned something new, give it a thumbs up. So if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Road to 1K, and this is the before and this is the after, guys. I hope you guys stay safe, and God bless. Peace, guys.